Hi everyone, very quick video. Could be replacing my dipped headlight beams on my 2011 Nissan Qashqai. Excuse, there might be a bit of wind on the old sound today, can't help that I'm afraid. The H7s I'm replacing with Osram Nightbreaker 220s, which are apparently the brightest lights you can get. One of them is the one here behind this projector here that I'm replacing today. The full beams are these ones, mine are okay, so this video is just covering these bad boys. Let's get to it. If you're somebody that likes to read instructions here, I'm going to hover over the instruction manual from the car manual. So it's these ones here, I think the outside ones, B's. No, it's A's, the low beams, we're replacing these ones. So there's the overview. They're not the Xenon headlights, and I'll just pause here. Sorry, this isn't great. There we go. So I'm just going to hover over that so you can read it at your leisure, should you wish to. So this is the important thing. So yeah, open the bonnet, yeah, disconnect the negative battery cable. I'm not going to do that. Remove the cap, which we'll do, and then here we go. So slightly different to some where they have spring clips. Turn the connector a quarter of a turn in the anti-clockwise direction. Remove headlight bulb. Install the new bulb in reverse order. Let's give it a go. So we're going to open the bonnet. Come around the front. If you reach onto here, you see there's a little catch. Sorry about the glare. There's the badge of the car. Look, there's a little catch just here. Here. Lift that up. See that there? And then the bonnet will lift. Ooh. Sorry, not easy doing this with one hand. And that clips up into there. There we go. We start with this side. Quite good access, so just going to zoom out. Apologies for the camera angle. Headlight. Come down to the engine bay. This bit here unscrews. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Hand in there. There we go. Put that somewhere safe. Put it there so it won't roll away. And here we have the back of the light. So that's what it looks like. I'm not going to be able to get my hand in there and show you this, but this thing here with the wires coming out of it is the connector on the back of the headlight bulb. So you've got to literally grab hold of that and unscrew it anti-clockwise, lefty loosey, remember, from the back. So yeah, hang on a sec. So here we go. So literally you've got to turn that clockwise and it'll unclip. All right, I couldn't fully do it, but then you get the headlight will pop out. There it is, there's the bulb. Hang on. Right, so there's the bulb, and you can see these are where it clips in here. Oh my grief. Where is it? There, see these little clips here at top, one at the bottom, so that's what you're unclipping it from, yeah? So there's the bulb, and you can see these little prongs here. There's one sticking out there, I'm touching it with my thumb, one on the opposite side there. Ooh. They're the bits that are sticking out either side that clip into the bayonet fitting on the back of the headlight mount. So now we just need to literally pull the headlight straight out of this connector. Be careful this doesn't break. A little wiggle, it's tight. There we go. Now again, on the backs of these you see they're shaped, and see this little lip here that clips into this section here. See with this little bit sticking out? So when we put the new one in, we'll be putting it back in like that and pushing it all the way down to when it meets. All right, now probably worth mentioning, I'm touching the glass, taking the old one out. You cannot touch the glass when you're putting the new one in, because your fingerprints destroy the glass and it just shatters as soon as it gets hot. So fitting a new one, reverse of taking it out, so let's get on with that. So we might as well combine this with a quick unboxing of these Nightbreaker lights. H7s. Yeah, look, half the lifetime, but a lot brighter. But I mean, they last a decent amount of time anyway, don't they? So 35 quid I think these were for a pair. So let's get these opened. Now, as I mentioned, you cannot touch the glass or they get destroyed. That's quite a cool little packet. No, all cardboard. So no plastic waste. And there they are. So I always use a bit of tissue when I am handling light bulbs. Some people use gloves, but I'm just going to grab that with my tissue so I'm not touching the bulb, and let's go and get that put in the car. So that's now been pushed in, and now I'm going to try and get this back down here in the hole. Let's see if I get you an angle on that. So here we are. Ooh. Oh, sorry guys, my hand's right in the way. There we go. Now it's just a case of turning this round. Trial and error. And that's in. Turn it. Oh, and that's locked in. Don't know how much you've seen, but there it is. Locked in, nice and tight. And now, so there we go, that's all now locked in nice and tight. Yeah. So now we get the cap, which was over here. And again, just slide that through. Done. Right, now the near side, the passenger side, look how tight this is. Look, it's here. I can only just get my hand in. So I think I'm going to remove this is the air intake pipe. And by the looks of it, we've got two screws here. There's no sensors or anything on it. And it just clips in there. Squeeze those two things in there, look, and that's just popped out, so screwdriver. So just use your Phillips screwdriver. Oh, shit. Well, that didn't work, did it? Right, change of plan. I'm just going to lift that up. There's a little bit of flex on there. Yeah, I don't know what they are, but they ain't screws, mate. No. So, yeah, I'm just going to lift that up. See if I can do that now, shall we? Yeah, look, easily lift that up. There is the cover. Get that one out. Might have been easier to film around this side. So this one hasn't actually blown, but I'm going to replace them both at the same time anyway. Right, I need to get a better angle on that. Also, to give me a little bit more room, this is a little fuse box here. There's a little catch here. Push that away and prise this end up, and it's popped off. So again, that's just going to give me just a little bit more access, so I can actually get my hand in there, unscrew it. There she is, same as the other side. So yeah, see if I get a better angle on this side. So fitting the light bulb here is just complete same as the other side, but you might find it easier to get in around here with your left hand when you're doing that up. So now just the same as the other side. I'm just lifting this bad boy up here, putting the cover back on there, and then this is the fuse box lid. Left hand side clips on these little catches here. There we go. Push the right side down, click. There we are. And then this bad boy straight back in there. Happy days. So just a quick check. Both working. Happy days. Hope you found it useful. I haven't put a before and after of the lights because it's not comparable. Like the old light bulbs are really old, so they were really dim anyway, but the new ones Really, really good. Nice even lighting pattern. Definitely brighter than what I expected them to be, and also a much whiter light. I wouldn't say they're like LED modern light white. Definitely worth paying the extra for those Osram bulbs. So thanks for watching. As always, if you've got any questions, please leave us a comment below, and take care and happy motoring.